Hello friends, welcome to this interesting discussion. We have this question which is proof based. The question goes like this: if x is nearly equal to unity, prove that mx to the power n minus nx to the power m over x to the power n minus x to the power m is equal to 1 over 1 minus x. By x being nearly equal to unity, what they mean is x is close to being equal to 1. As we know, unity is associated with a numerical value 1. But in this case, x is not really equal to 1, but simply close to 1. So let's see how we can simply answer this problem. Okay, so we now get started. Okay, now to solve this, we will consider working the left hand side, which is mx to the power n minus nx to the power m divided by x to the power n minus x to the power m. So what we're going to do is we're going to let x to be greater than than 1, sorry, and also we'll let x be equal to 1 plus h. So looking at a value that is just greater than 1, so that value will make it x to be greater than 1 is h, and such that h is very small, since we've been told that x is close to 1. So we'll just use a value which is a bit smaller to make x close to 1. So that's how you go about it. Now, since our x is equal to 1 plus h, so it means that wherever there is x in this expression, we'll simply replace with 1 plus h. So this therefore gives us m to multiply with 1 plus h. This is raised to the power of n minus n open 1 plus h to the power of m. Then you say over 1 plus h to the power n minus 1 plus h to the power m. Okay, now considering what is in parentheses, this is in the form of a binomial where there's an identity for this one. So we'll consider the one which is 1 plus h to the power n and 1 plus h to the power m. So 1 plus h to the power everything in parentheses to the power m. Here in sorry is the same as 1 plus nh, then plus other terms that keeps on going. This can be expanded until forever. Then same applies with the power being m. This will be the same as saying 1 plus m h, then plus other terms that keeps on going there. So that's what we get for these two. Alright, so we continue. Now, wherever there is 1 plus h to the power n, we'll substitute with what we've obtained on the right hand side. Same applies with when the power is m. Now let's substitute. So this therefore gives us m open brackets 1 plus nh. Then we'll say minus n open brackets 1 plus mh. Then we'll divide with what is 1 plus h to the power n, substitute with 1 plus nh. Oh, sorry, we're not supposed to have m here. Let me get rid of the m. It's supposed to be n. So write n here. Then minus open brackets because of a negative term. We have 1 plus mh. So the numerator further simplifies to, upon multiplying, it will give us m plus, when we multiply that to the second term, we get mnh. Then minus, do the same to the other part, this gives us n. Then minus here, mnh. So that's h not n over 1 plus nh minus 1 minus mh. So this is what we have. Oh, sorry, we don't have h there, but instead it is n. Okay, so on the numerator, this part here, m and h, will cancel with m and h because they have different signs. This one cancels that, remain with m minus n. With the denominator, 1 and 1 will cancel. You're going to remain with nh minus mh. So you now write this as m minus n over h will be factorized. No, not n, but h instead. So h will be factorized. You're going to have n minus m. Now multiplying everything on the denominator with a negative, what is inside brackets will change position. So it's m minus n over, multiply with a negative h, now negative 1, so it will be h, then this will now be changed to m minus n. Now m minus n on the numerator will cancel with the m minus n on the denominator. They will divide, so you get 1 over negative h. Okay, now let us recall what we got for x. So remember that x is equals to 1 plus h, and making h subject, it will mean that h will be equal to x minus 1. Now we have a negative h here. That is that negative h will mean that to multiply both sides to negative. So this will mean that our negative h will simply be equal to negative x plus 1, which is the same as negative h being equal to 1 minus x. So this will mean that where there is negative h will replace with 1 minus x. This gives us 1 over 1 minus x. So this is what we get. And remember, we've proven, yeah, and we can simply state that hence shown. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more interesting math and physics content. See you in the next video.